Isang malaking karangalan po para sa Universidad ng Pilipinas na manguna sa pagtangkilik ng inyong pagtitipon. Ito ay sapagkat nakakaisa tayong lahat sa layuning mapagsilbihan ang sambayanang Pilipino sa abot ng ating kakayahan sa anumang katayuan o papel na ating ginagampanan.
It is with deep honor and profound privilege that I, as Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Akademyang Filipino, I address you for the first time this notable group of individuals representing the best of Filipino minds and spirits, accomplished representatives of the Filipino arts, sciences, and professions, imbued with love of country and the spirit of service to the nation.
Beyond talking among ourselves, we hope to engage the government and other concerned parties in a discussion of issues vital to our national future. We need to broaden the circle of national discourse and to expand our intellectual universe to bring out the Rizals and the Bonifacios in each of us.
No matter how hard we work, and as our history has shown, it is the ego that destroys not only organizations but also their ambitions.